Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking down prerequisites so the change sticks. First, choose the English narration style you want and keep it consistent. This prevents mixed tones later. Once done, prepare the source text with phonetic hints for tricky words and collect a short reference clip to match pacing. Make sure to pick a single tool or method now. Changing tools midstream breaks continuity. You're starting with clarity and constraints, so every next step focuses only on improving voice and delivery. Now you refine delivery and capture material that matches your plan. Practice each passage aloud, marking pauses and emphasis. This trains muscle memory and clarifies why certain words need breath or stress. Once comfortable, record short takes of 30 to 60 seconds so you can compare phrasing choices. Make sure microphone distance and room noise stay consistent, because matching ambience is how edits stay seamless. Afterward, review takes to identify the best lines for assembling a coherent, singular English narration. Finish by editing and polishing so the narration reads as one voice. Edit for continuity, match gain, trim breaths, and use short crossfades to remove clicks or gaps. This preserves flow and explains why small edits matter. Normalize loudness to a consistent target so playback stays even across devices. If something still sounds off, re-record only the problematic lines rather than the whole piece. This fixes issues quickly while keeping your established delivery intact. One troubleshooting tip: if tone shifts, reuse reference clips to realign performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.